Hi everyone, my name is Judy and welcome to my channel. I am here to teach you the Cebuano dialect in a conversational way. So today's lesson is about noun markers. We have the ang and the si. Okay, so these two is not interchangeable. Okay, the difference is actually very easy to spot. So the ang here is more on the common noun marker, and the si, it's more personal and referring to a specific name. Okay, so I'm gonna show you some examples here. So the ang here, like for example, ang bata, the kid. Okay, ang babay, naghulat ni Judy. Okay, naghulat is waiting, ni Judy, for Judy. Okay, so the ang here is the marker for the bata. Okay, now let's go to the si. We have the singular si here. That means one person. I'm referring to only one person. So for example, Juan. Si Juan guapo. Si Juan guapo. Okay, handsome Juan. Guapo is handsome. Okay, so here you may notice, see, there should be always a specific name of a person. Always. Okay? Next, what if there are two persons? So you will say, si Judy, og, si Juan. So the og here is like and in English. Okay? So, to translate this in English, Judy and Juan. That's it. So it's a very short lesson for today because I'm really catching up with my time and I've been very hectic behind the scenes. And hopefully next Wednesday I will catch up with my regular time slot, publishing early morning every Wednesday. So I hope next Wednesday you will catch me early morning Philippine time next week Wednesday. Okay guys, so if you're very new, please consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe bell button, okay, so that you'll be notified once a new video is up. Thank you so much for today. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you again next week. Bye bye for now.